Hello kids. Do you remember the present simple tense? Let's revise the rules. I, you, we, they. Play. He, she, it. Plays. Now let's play a quiz. Read the sentence. Choose the correct answer. 1. I like apples. 2. She plays football. 3. We go to school every day. 4. He reads books at home. 5. They watch cartoons on YouTube. 6. He drinks tea in the morning. 7. It sleeps on the sofa. 8. I eat sandwiches for breakfast. 9. She draws very well. 10. You enjoy English lessons. Great job. You're amazing.